Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we're looking at page 28 of Standard of Excellence. And book 1, and we're looking at 123 through 128, and I have a guest critic. And she is not happy that I am using my office because this is her room, she has decided. This is her chair. That's her sofa behind me. And in the closet is her little hiding space we're not supposed to know about. But she's calming down nicely now. Looking at page 28 of Standard of Excellence, Book 1, with starting with warm-up, which starts with first position, lip slurs, into second, into third, and then the last two measures give us an F inverted chord leading to a B flat. Moving on to high winds ahead. We're in the key of B flat, so B's and E's are flat. It's all diatonic, and we're only counting to threes. All right, so for 126, we're looking at the E flat major scale. The first time I play it, it's going to be as written, all the way through to the arpeggios, and then I'm going to play the scale as you normally hear it on a tenor trombone without the trigger. Then I'll do it the way you would hear it. If you have the trigger, another way you can do it. And I'll try for the third octave as well. T3 low octave. All right, so you can hear that third octave was not agreeing with me. But rarely have I had to play up there. A couple times when I was playing some orchestra jobs, we would need some of those high E flats and that. Sometimes in jazz you want to be able to hit some of those pitches, but most of the time you're going to be locked in below the high B flat. And variations on a theme by Mozart. And our last one for trombones only has us going up to the C in third position, which you already heard in the scale. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.